What's going on, everybody? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and today I wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia 10 II. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you guys would be so kind as to thumbs up the video, maybe subscribe, and then drop a comment below and I will let you know how to get a better price on the device than what's in the store. I'll also beat any competitor out there, so just let me know. And without further ado, this is the Sony Xperia 10 II. If you get it from me, and I hope you do, this is exactly what you're going to get. Got the Sony box here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. This phone has a 6-inch screen, a Snapdragon 665 processor, 128 gigs with 4 gigs of RAM, and a 3600 milliamp hour battery. And this one does also have a headphone jack, which is pretty crazy nowadays. It comes in a couple different colors: black, blue, white, and this one, which is mint. It's sort of a weird green one. Anyways, I'll go ahead and get the rest of this here. Got the first thing here, which has got some Xperia 10 notes. Got your USB-C to USB-A headphones, which is just standard there. And then also it comes with a European charger. Now I also include a USA adapter, and I'm going to show you real quick. It looks just like this. And all you do is push that out, shove it on like that. It goes right into the wall here. No big deal. I include that with every purchase, so you got all set right out the box. Now, when you get the phone here, it's got the welcome screen. You can go ahead and select all your languages, all that good stuff. You power through it. It does have Google Play. It's got all the Google services and everything, so you're going to be good out the box and get all future updates. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so if you want to take a look here, you can see that the device is just about the same height. And the width here, that's my awesome neighbor. The iPhone's a little bit bulkier, so it's got a nice slim profile. It's got the glass back, the triple camera setup. It's not too heavy. It's much lighter than the iPhone. And yeah, so that is the Sony Xperia 10 II. I hope you guys pick it up from my store. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. And thanks again for watching.